welcome back to my channel. This video I've brought to you guys is about beautiful pleated dresses, which are really ideal for party wears and for casual wears as well. These are really ideal for summer because these are really lightweighted and easy to wear on really scorching days. How lightweighted and simple yet elegant it looks. I'm really fascinated by it. How attractive did you guys find it? Let me know down in the comment box below. Especially look at this silk pleated one. How beautiful and gorgeous that it looks. These types of dress I really found attractive and so elegant and stylish. These are really decent styling, so that if you wear, you don't look really too heavy makeup person or really a heavy dressed up one, but very decent, elegant and really attractive as well. Now look at this one. Isn't this so pretty? Look at this red and white combination with pleated design on it. This pleated pattern really fascinates. And guys, you can pair this with beautiful sandals and just a bracelet with the beautiful clutch, and you're good to go. With a belt, a strap, and this pleated dress really makes it beautiful. These dresses can go well with all kinds of hairstyles. Even if you wear a high ponytail or leave your hair open, it will just look stunning. And if you just curl it and get it wavy, then too it will look so decent and beautiful. Also, if you just pair it with earrings, it would look great as well. This pleated dress goes well on all colors and it looks so beautiful with the strap, and you can pair it with high heels so that it looks super great. Look at this zip one, open zips pleated dress. If you want more such, just hit the subscribe button and stick on. Thanks for watching. Bye.